The scissor movement. The scissor movement is a structural model that explains how the market prepares for large directional moves. Before price expands with strength, it often performs a deliberate move in the opposite direction. This early reversal is not random noise, and it is not weakness. It is a mechanism the market uses to generate liquidity and gather the energy required for the true move. Price first enters a compression phase. It moves in a tight range, building tension as stop losses accumulate above and below structure. Liquidity pools form, pending orders stack, and the market loads itself like a spring that has not yet been released. Nothing meaningful happens on the surface, but internally pressure grows. When enough liquidity exists, the market does something that misleads most traders. It moves against the eventual direction. This move is designed to take liquidity, trigger stops, and draw participants into the wrong side of the market. By doing that, the market clears the order book, absorbs volume, and gains the fuel it needs to move with force. This moment is similar to pulling back the string of a bow before releasing the arrow. The backward motion is not a step away from the goal, but the very action that creates the power to reach it. In the same way, the market moves against the trend not to reverse, but to build momentum for the expansion that follows. Once liquidity is taken and weak positions are flushed out, price snaps into the real direction. Stop-loss cascades trigger in sequence, trailing orders begin to chase price, late entries add fuel, and the move becomes self-accelerating. The expansion is sudden, fast, and often larger than traders expect. Like the closing motion of scissors, price first opens to one side, gathers energy, and then cuts sharply through the opposite side in a clean directional move. The scissor movement is therefore a natural expression of how chaotic systems behave. Pressure builds quietly, an opposite movement releases friction and gathers liquidity, and then momentum expands rapidly into the true trend. What appears at first to be confusion is actually structure. What seems like manipulation is simply the physics of price. A brief retreat. A violent release. Accumulation. Sweep. Explosion. That is the scissor movement.